The court is calling 2020 CR 10020, State of Texas versus Adriana Ayala. Could I have parties announced for the record, please, for the state?
Joe Ray Garcia.
For the defense?
Manuel Rodriguez, Judge. Before I call my witness, I just, my client as a witness to explain what she's done. If you may recall, Judge, she was incarcerated at our plea hearing. There was a bond mix-up. I don't know, a signature was missing or something, so she spent about 3 weeks in jail. Luckily, it was cleared up after our plea hearing. Since then, she told me she made a lot of promises that she was going to use this as a positive to try to better her life, and she's followed up on those things. And I'm going to call her now so she can tell Your Honor what she's done.
All right, can you raise your right hand for me, please? Do you solemnly swear or affirm the testimony you give will be the truth and nothing but the truth, so help you God?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, you can lower your hand. Can you state your name for the record?
Adriana Ayala.
All right. Now, since we last had our court hearing, is it true that you expressed to me that you wanted to use this whole incident and criminal issue to better your life?
Yes, sir. I already have.
All right. What have you done since you were released about a month ago?
Okay, I'm going to get my folder real quick. Give me a second. Judge Boyd, I am not making excuses for what I've done. I stand in front of the court asking to please have mercy on me and please allow me to accept probation as my option. My case today has to do with an assault, and I voluntarily have joined an anger management class to help me teach me how to improve my temper. In the meantime, I am also staying busy by working 2 jobs. My first job, I'm a full-time chef. My second job, I help manage a small rental property where I live. I brought 2 employment letters to support my character and my well-being at both jobs. Please give me a chance to not to return to prison. I know I can successfully complete my probation if given a chance. All of this has been done within 30 days of my release. So I know I can successfully complete my probation, successfully. And I want a second chance, please.
All right, what's the cause of your anger issues? Do you know?
Frustration, I don't know.
Your priors have to do with anger issues too. And I will tell you, you're very lucky that the complainant in your case says that he doesn't want you to go to prison. He said that that would be too harsh. But this is what people have to understand. The way that women come before the court and say that they've been abused, men can be abused as well. So no adult should be putting their hands on anyone in anger. You understand?
Yes, ma'am.
So it doesn't matter if you're female, if you're male, you shouldn't use words, not hands, right?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, this is what the court is going to do. As previously stated, the court found you guilty. The court will sentence you to 2 years in prison, suspended and probated for 2 years. There's an affirmative finding of family violence. You're to do the BIPP course. You're to continue with your anger management course, wherever that is. You're going to continue doing AA, but I'm going to want AA meetings 2 times per week, no contact with Cesar Rodriguez. Continue with your parenting classes. So there's going to be proof of employment within 30 days. There's to be no employment as a home healthcare provider or with minors. There's to be regular reporting by Zoom. If something happens to your Zoom and you can't report by Zoom, it will be in person. Regular UAs and field visits 1 time per month. 100 hours of community service restitution. I'll deduct 40 of those hours if you provide proof that you've obtained the COVID vaccine. I'm not requiring anyone to get the vaccine, but if you do, you provide proof, 40 hours of that will be deducted. All right, we can go off the record. So Ms. Ayala, what is the tattoo on your arm?
This,
yes.
It's a Dia de las Muertes.
Oh, okay. Was it painful?
No, ma'am.
Wow. I'm always interested in the tattoos that people have. And sometimes they tell me it's very painful, but they continue. So you're the first person that I've spoken to who said it wasn't painful. But then I think women may have a higher threshold for pain than men. I don't know. I guess we could take a poll of that right now. I think Joe Ray would agree with me and everyone else does. Court is calling 2020 CR 10020, State of Texas versus Adriana Ayala. Can I have parties announced for the record? State, defense,
Stephen Harkowitz.
and are you Adriana Ayala?
Yes, ma'am.
Are you the same Adriana Ayala who's placed on community supervision for the offense of assault family second offense on October 11, 2021 for a term of 2 years? Is that you?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, state.
Condition number 1, on or about the 24th.
I took her to the hospital or something.
County, Texas, and Adriana Ayala. Condition number 1.
How do you plead to that? True or not true?
All
Any objections to the waiver?
No, Your Honor.
All right, did you understand by pleading true to violation of condition number 1, the court could find it true, grant the motion, sentence you up to 2 years in prison? Did you understand that? Okay, you're
Yes,
whispering.
ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Knowing that, do you still wish to plead true to violation of condition number 1?
Yes, ma'am, I do.
Court will find violation of condition number 1 true. Is there an agreement?
Asking us to decide a motion to amend the order on the referral to Esperanza Court.
All right, is that the agreement?
It is, Your Honor.
All right, are you asking the court to follow that agreement?
Yes, ma'am, I am.
Are you waiving your right to appeal?
Yes, ma'am, I am.
Do you want Esperanza Court?
Yes, ma'am, I do.
All right. Right. What case are you TICing?
It is County Court 693534.
All right. Do you have any children?
I do.
And what are their ages?
28 and 22.
Okay. So who are you going to be staying with? Do you live by yourself? Do you live with someone else?
If I come out within a reasonable time, I still have my home waiting for me and my job waiting for me as well.
All right. So I'm going to deny and alter and amend to Esperanza Court. And does anyone know, do they prefer that she remain in custody? All right. So she's going to remain in custody and they will meet with you and screen you. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
If you're accepted into Esperanza Court, what will end up happening is your case will actually be transferred to Esperanza Court. The only time you will come back here is for one of two reasons. One, you're coming back here because you're graduating and you want me to appear at your graduation, which I will do. Or two, because you didn't follow through and they're saying that they can't help you and you don't want the help and they're removing you from the program. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
All right. So she's to remain in custody until transfer. And probation, if for any reason she's not accepted into Esperanza Court, let me know and we'll take that up. Is there anything else?
Not right, sir.
All right. Thank you. Have a
Yes,
good
ma'am.
one.
Thank you, Judge.
You're welcome. 2020 CR 10020 State versus Adriana Ayala. Can I have parties announced?
Rick Pena for the state of Texas.
Judith Wemmert for the defendant.
And are you Adriana Ayala?
Yes, I am.
Did you review the document entitled Motion to Revoke Community Supervision with your attorney?
The document, I did.
Did you understand it?
I did.
Are you the same Adriana Ayala who was placed on community supervision in 2020 CR 10020 for the offense of assault family second offense on October 11, 2021 for a term of 2 years? Is that you?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, state, you may proceed.
Thank you, Your Honor. Violation condition number 41. On or about the 30th day of May.
Excuse me, I don't have a violation of 41. Is that a supplemental?
No.
Thank you, Ms. Abrams.
Oh,
I have the incorrect one.
Oh,
All right, you may proceed.
yes. Violation condition number 41. On or about the 30th day of May, 2024 in Bexar County, Texas, the defendant, Adriana Ayala, did then and there fail to comply with the rules and regulations of the Esperanza Court in that the defendant absconded from the women's sober homes in violation of condition number 41.
How do you plead to that, true or not true?
State will waive the other violation, Your Honor.
Any objections to the
No, ma'am.
waivers? Did you understand by pleading true to violation of condition 41, the court could find it true, grant the motion and sentence you up to 2 years in the prison?
Actually, so she's supposed to be against me, she's supposed to be for me. Why did you just give him some paperwork to be against me? If he didn't have the paperwork, shouldn't it be filled out? Was it not complete? Was his record not complete?
I just pointed something out to him on his paperwork.
Because his paperwork was in your hand, it's not in his hand.
No, I didn't give him anything.
That's why he's reading it now, because he didn't have it earlier.
All right, so this is what the state is accusing you of. They're accusing you of not following the requirements of Esperanza Court. Do you understand that? All right, you just pled true to that allegation, which is number 41. Do you understand that? And do you understand that the state is not proceeding on any other violations in the motion to revoke? They're only proceeding on violation of 41. Do you understand?
Yes, I am.
All right, so do you still wish to plead true to violation of condition number 41?
I do, yes, ma'am.
All right, by pleading true to violation of condition number 41, the court could sentence you up to 2 years in the prison. Do you understand?
Yes, ma'am, I do.
All right, the court is going to find violation of condition number 41 true. Is there a proposed agreement?
There is, Your Honor. That is to revoke the defendant's community supervision and sentence the defendants to 2 years TDC.
All right, the court will sentence you, the court will grant the motion, revoke, sentence you to 2 years in the prison, give you credit for any time served. There's an affirmative finding of family violence. Did she pay the $100 to the approved family violence center? Yes. Did you pay the $100 to the approved family violence center?
I don't remember. I did pay my $1,000
For the court?
Yes, ma'am. But I don't know what else was included in my dollars. But he said I didn't know. Mr. Patrick said and Thorpe said I didn't know any fines. So I'm thinking that might have been included,
Okay, let me ask.
but I'm not.
If I may, Your Honor, the court summary reflects that she did pay the $100.
All right, thank you. So the court then, as previously stated, will give you credit for any time served. There's a affirmative finding of family violence. There's to be no unsupervised contact with minors, and the court will request the therapeutic community. And I'm sorry, also, as previously ordered in the agreement for probation, there's to be no contact with Cesar Rodriguez.
Okay, thank you.
All right, good luck to you.